be changing grips for Yamaha R6. I'll show you how to do this with ease.
Okay.
No problem at all.
Thank you very much, Al. BPC Services, Brooklyn Pit Stop. You know what I'm saying?
You're gonna need a compressor.
That's what we're going to do. Get a compressor. First, I remove.
You're gonna expand the grip to pull it off.
So you're gonna pump it full of air to take out the rubber.
Exactly. See, when you pump air through the grip, it slides off with ease. Nice. Instead of trying to jerk it and put oil. I do not recommend you to put oil onto the grip, because then your throttle's going to get loose. That's how you move it. Takes only 2 seconds.
These are the new grips.
Of this should be very simple and easy.
Small improvement.
Shouldn't have a problem with it.
Let's get rid of that washer, bro, because it vibrates too much. Put these babies on.